Thank you for visiting my Pre-Calc Gold video channel on YouTube. The site, which I created as part of my Girl Scout Gold Award project, is dedicated to tutoring for some of the most difficult problems encountered in pre-calculus class. Tutoring websites are springing up all over the internet, and that's a good thing because these sites provide the details and convenience to better understand concepts that give students the most trouble in school. I enjoyed making these tutoring videos and hope they will be useful to pre-calculus students. Working on this project taught me a lot about making tutoring videos, which was at first not as easy as some tutoring sites make it look. I would like to share some tips for making tutoring videos because it's a great way to share your knowledge with others and to ensure that tutoring sites are kept up to date and ongoing for the next generation of students. Here are some important things I learned. Number 1. Ask for a teacher's advice about which problems most often cause students to struggle in their class. That will help to narrow your focus to the key areas needed. Number 2. Do some in-person tutoring in the subject before making any videos. It helps to see students' reactions to different teaching methods. Number 3. Select a video filming room that has good lighting and where you can leave your props set up until all of the videos are made. Otherwise, you'll waste too much time resetting up for each new filming session. Number 4. Schedule plenty of time to make videos. At first, you'll probably be doing a lot of retakes to get the perfect final video. Number 5. Consider placing blankets on chairs around the room where you are filming so that there aren't echoes in your videos. Number 6. Write out scripts and develop any printed props prior to filming. This will help ensure you stay on topic and can complete the videos in a short amount of time. Number 7. Keep your videos under 5 minutes to hold viewers' attention. If you find your videos are too long, break them up into smaller sections. Number 8. Practice your videos before turning on the camera. Speaking loudly and clearly while trying to keep a conversational tone is more difficult than it looks. Number 9. Check out other tutoring videos to get ideas and to see what you like and don't like about different videos. Number 10. Ask a friend, teacher, or parent to watch your completed videos to help you look for any mistakes or offer advice. Number 11. Learn about tags on the internet so you can add tags that will make your videos more easy to find in a search. Number 12. Share the website address of your tutoring videos with your math teacher so that he or she can share it with students. Number 13. Monitor your tutoring channel for comments so that you can respond to questions or concerns. Good luck with your tutoring videos. I hope these tips will be helpful and that you'll be able to add more great videos to the internet to help students grasp difficult concepts in classes. It's a good feeling to know you're helping fellow students, and I think you'll enjoy it too.